Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha. I will be showing you guys how I made this beautiful purple balloon garland for a client's 15th birthday. What we will actually need to achieve this garland is an electronic balloon blower, a manual balloon blower, a balloon garland strip, some plain purple balloon, some polka dot balloon, some cute 260s to attach the balloon to the backdrop. You could also use a ribbon to also attach the balloon to the backdrop. A little tips for you guys is when you are intending to use the cute 260s balloon or the ribbon balloon to attach the balloon to the backdrop, always make sure that the color that you are purchasing matches the balloon that you are using. Otherwise, if you are using another color, it might show between the balloons. Alright guys, we are going to start blowing up some balloons. I'm done blowing up all the balloon. I will be showing you guys how to connect the balloon to the balloon garland strip. All you have to do is use the end of the balloon, slide it into the big hole first, then slide it back into the small hole so that you'll be able to lock the balloon into the balloon garland strip. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but there is two holes on the strip. One is a big one and the other one is a small one. What I did is I entered the end of the balloon through that big hole first, then slide it into the small hole and lock it so that the balloon doesn't come out. You will have to continue the same process until you have all your balloon on the strip, and voila, you have your balloon garland strip. Guys, look how beautiful this purple garland looks like. Anybody could do it. It didn't even take long at all. What I also did was I used some 12-inch balloon, blow them out, release out some air in order for me to get this small beautiful purple balloon. Also, in order for me to get that light purple balloon, I have to double staff them. If you guys would like to know how I double staff the balloons, please comment below and I will make a separate video showing you guys how to double staff. The polka dot purple balloon look amazing as well, and I am very pleased. The purpose of this video was to show you guys how to connect the balloon to the balloon garland strip. But I also went ahead and showing you guys how I can actually use the ribbon to attach between the balloon garland strip in order for me to be able to easily attach the whole garland to my backdrop. So what I went on and did was to play around with it, flip the balloon a couple of times to see where I would like each color to be placed at, and when I finally figure out how I would like the balloon to be placed, I went on and tie it in order to secure the garland to my backdrop. As you guys could see, I'm playing around with it. I just want to find the perfect position for it before I could attach the balloon garland strip to my backdrop. So just play with it until you get it right. I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. Please like, comment, and share for more content. Thank you.